what I'm going to cook today is what I call the potato patties. Well, what you do is you soak a few potatoes in water and then you boil them and make them soft. And how do you test whether the potatoes are soft? You take a fork and poke it through and see whether it goes through. If it goes through cleanly, that means your potatoes are soft and you can actually remove them from the boiling water. You then remove the skin, which is easy to peel once it has been boiled, and then the next thing you do is you actually mash it up so that it becomes potato mashed potato. Now I have done that, and what I'm doing now is I'm actually trying to make the potatoes even, and I have a turkey ham with me. So the next thing that I'm going to do is put in the turkey ham into the mashed potatoes so that we actually can blend the potato and the turkey ham together. That's what I'm doing, and well, I did try to use a fork to do it, but I find that it's so much better if you use your hand and you can actually make sure that all the potatoes are actually squashed and smashed and there are no big pieces left. Now you add as much as turkey ham as you like, because it's just really how much flavor you like to have in your potato patties. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm actually blending in the turkey ham and mixing it well so that you do not have pieces of turkey ham sticking in certain areas, whereas others do not have any turkey ham, right? Make sure that you actually run through to make sure that it is really consistent and it is really well done. Okay, once you are ready, then you go for the next step, which I'm going to show you very soon. Okay, it needs a little bit more of mashing as there are some pieces that are left. Now this is lining the the air fryer with a bit of aluminum foil to avoid the potato patty sticking to the cooking ware. Now I put it in and I'm going to put it into the air fryer. Okay, it's gone into the air fryer, and what I'm going to do is set the temperature, switch it on, set the temperature to about 180 degrees, and then I will put it on for about 5 minutes and let it cook. Now from time to time you can actually open up and see whether the potato patties are cooked as per what you desire. It's really very much your own taste, how much you want or how cooked you want it to be. So I put it in back again, making sure that it's safely shut close before I switch on and let it start cooking again. So I put it for another 180 degrees and another 5 minutes to let it cook till it's a little bit more brown, which is to my taste and liking, but it's really up to you how much or what temperature, how much time you want to cook. But you can actually check from time to time, because that's the wonderful thing about the air fryer, is that you can actually check on your cooking as you go along so that you know how burnt it is or how much of browning you require for your cooking. There it is, taking out it again to have another look whether it is cooked as I require. You can see part of the potatoes and the turkey ham actually being a little bit burned, which is what I like. But of course, to be on the healthy side, scrape away the burnt pieces when you take it out. So this is the final product, which is the potato patties